Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to quickly share something really Korean, which is Dokkebi. Dokkebi. So have you ever heard that word Dokkebi? Of course, there was a K-drama called Dokkebi, but the main character in Dokkebi doesn't really look like Dokkebi because he looked just like a superstar in Korea. But Dokkebi is not like that. And when I translated Dokkebi into English, many suggested Goblin, but Goblin doesn't really look like Dokkebi in my opinion. So today, by using this book, which is Korean folktale story, I'd like to introduce Korean Dokkebi to you guys. Ready? Let's get started. So, as you can expect, this is Dokkebi rather than this man. Let's have a look at his appearance first. Usually, Dokkebi's skin color is brown, green, blue. So the colors can be varied. And also, his fashion style is always humble. His clothes is always rough, I guess. And he can have a variety of number of horns or eyes on his face. Let's have a look in detail. So look, something is happening in this story. So as you might expect, Dokkebi has a superpower like Genie in Aladdin. Sometimes Dokkebis play pranks on bad people. And sometimes they can punish people, and also they can help good people. So they show their abilities in numerous ways. In this case, this Dokkebi came to help this good guy, good ordinary guy. And as you see, the Dokkebi has different types of colors. I mean skin colors. And can you see this one? This is very typical type of Dokkebi 방망이. Dokkebi 방망이. 방망이 is usually wooden stick in Korean, and Dokkebi 방망이 always look like this. So this is very typical type of Dokkebi 방망이. Dokkebi 방망이 is kind of magical stick. So by using this 방망이, they can do some tricks. They can make some treasures, and they can punish people. So all of the magical things are happened by this 방망이. So let's have a look how the Dokkebi use the 방망이, which is magical wind. Usually, Dokkebi hit the air like this, hit with the wind. 뚝딱, 뚝딱, 뚝딱 is the sound when the wind is used. So when some magical thing happens, the sound made 뚝딱. So can you see that? The Dokkebis can have various number of eyes on his face, and also they have horns, and they use the typical shape of magical wooden wind. So this is about Korean Dokkebi. So how would you translate Dokkebi into English? Do you have any ideas? Maybe you can see variety of types of Dokkebi in Korean folk tales very often. So do you find it interesting? This is very short story about Dokkebi. Thank you for watching. Bye!